Our day consists of a constant array of numbers, letters, and visuals that are thrown at us minute by minute, and our brain decodes it to make sense of what's around us. Our newest timepieces visually represent this chaos. The hands, by themselves, seem disorganized, but when the decoding dial is put in place during assembly, the current time is revealed in a unique, legible way, making sense of this complex choreography we call time. Introducing two new automatic watches from Zarek, the Cipher and Decipher. The Decipher Automatic splits up time, with the hours on the top of the dial and the minutes at the bottom. The hidden hour hand fills in the current hour from underneath the grill, while the minute hand highlights the laser-cut numbers with a pop of color. The Cipher Automatic utilizes the same concept as the Decipher, with positive and negative cutout numbers and hands underneath filling in the hours and highlighting the minutes. But it displays time in a more familiar way, similar to a traditional clock. We're using tritium tubes on the Cipher Automatic, a first for any Zarek watch. Even the best watch loom fades overnight, but the tritium tubes emit a glow that remains constant in dark conditions, and the tritium will last for decades. Both the Cipher and the Decipher run on an automatic movement that stores power as the rotor spins while you wear it. Made in Japan, these Miyota movements are known for their precision and reliability. Each mechanical movement comes equipped with a custom-designed rotor that can be seen through the sapphire crystal on the case back. The front crystal is also made of sapphire glass, an ultra-scratch-resistant material that protects against daily wear and tear. Our straps are made from premium American Horween leather, which our previous backers have given extremely positive reviews. And switching out your strap is fast and easy with our built-in quick release system. The Decipher Automatic will be one of our rarest collections, as a limited edition of only 300 per color, and the Cipher Automatic will be limited to just $999 per color. Your pledge gets you a unique conversation starter at an amazing price. We hope you'll support this project and reserve your Zarek watch today.
Meet Sequent, the most innovative smartwatch engineers have ever created. One that is absolutely precise, equipped with the newest heart rate sensor and activity tracking system, synchronizing perfectly with either your Android or iPhone. It's a comprehensive health and fitness device. And because we care about your quality of life, we have come out with some truly remarkable breakthrough innovations. One of these is our kinetic self-charging battery system, which produces infinite power supply. Yes, you heard it right, infinite power supply. With our kinetic self-charging battery system, you will never run out of power. Kinetic means that the watch generates its energy by simply wearing it on the wrist, using the principle of natural gravity and human movement. Sequent is a revolutionary smartwatch providing infinite battery life without socket outlet charging, creating true autonomy wherever you are and whatever you do. Wear it during your sport exercise and it charges even faster. We believe that simplicity is of utmost importance to our well-being. Useless applications and design should not distract from essential functionalities, stress your eyes, or challenge physical conditions. For this reason, we have created the most innovative hybrid smartwatch available on the market. Sequent is ergonomically designed with a modern and luxury appearance at the most affordable price. For our straps, we use the highest quality materials like genuine American Horween leather and other organic materials, all traditionally crafted. Sequent is a smart watch with the mission to enhance your life quality, making your everyday life simpler, efficient, and unique.
You have a phone, you have another device that will give you time. The watch is a new way of expressing yourself.
The desire to shake conventions, be cool.
手首周りの完璧なバランス、最高だ。
Glock 08, en todas partes y siempre conmigo.
Mi piace il design, il tessuto e la grande eleganza della pelle.
That's so cool.
创意无所不在，它可以是一种态度、一个眼神，或是一种哲学。
The disc turned counterclockwise to indicate the time right way up.
真是酷毙了！
08 is about 39 millimeters of elegance on your wrist. Clockers is a community made for men and women, free thinkers, creative, dreamers, travelers of all sorts.
Be yourself, everyone else is already taken.